Smell the wood. Smell it. Smell the wood. Yeah, so let's make a start on this. So instructions, decking oil, wood. Right, let me first get me Alexa and my music blurting out. Because I can't work without music on. Go on, Phoebe.
What?
Dance. So what I'm thinking is, or what I'm going to do is, because this is a square and it's slightly wider than what the actual building is, I'm going to start down this edge, down the back. So it's going to finish here, the building. So all that bit is going to be exposed. The front's going to be exposed. I'm going to use a stamp-proof membrane under here. I'm going to flip this up onto top of there, like so. Put the base on that so it's waterproof. Same along the back. Then down that edge there, I've got some damp-proof course. So I'm going to put that under there. So that is the plan. So looking at the instructions, it's got the spacings there, look. So all I've done is just pre-cut an old bit of decking board, which is 377 wide. Obviously that's in mil. So now I know that each bearer is going to be equal distance apart. You need to screw together your two outer ones on outer edge, because obviously one's for the building and the other is going to be for the floor. So don't forget to screw them two together. Right, so it's saying in the instructions to nail the two outer bearers, which is these two. I've put two together, as you can see, with nails, 70mm long nails, but I'm not going to use 70mm long nails. I'm going to use these 50mm screws, because it's saying to put them at an angle, but I'm not pissing about with that. I'm just going to get my impact drill, screw them together, and they'll not come apart then, will they? They do want to be spread apart at 300 mils. Battery's dead already. Doink. They're kind of evenly spaced apart, 377mm. They need to sit going that way, and at the back, get a set of your side logs, your gable ends on. So you're making like your initial base for your walls to come up on. Make sure it's square, your frame, and then you're going to screw in your end pieces through there, drill them through so it doesn't move. Then you've got your square base, and then you can start. Ding dong, dinky donky ding. No nonsense. Decking oil from Screwfix, 27 quid for a tin. Oh, floppy cock. Getting set up first is the hardest bit. So what I've done just here, taken a little notch out as it says in the instructions to do. That's where I'm going to put a screw straight into that bearer up at the bottom, just down there, look, as you can see. So I'm just going to put a pilot hole in, drop an 80mm screw in. Obviously I'm going to bring that in line with there. You need a 5mm approximately overhang. You can feel it in the bottom of your timber anyway. It's bevel, got like a little bevel edge, so probably just run that bevel with your fingers underneath there. I don't know if you can see that any good or not. That's how far. I'll get this first one in, then what I'll do, I'll go to that opposite corner, I think, do that one, and then try and somehow get it nice and square, because obviously if it's not square, Care Bear, then I'll be in for a world of pain later on, and it'll just look a shower of shite. Just drop that other corner in, opposite corner to this one, get a measure, see how we set. Measure corner to corner as building must be square. Come to me. Just hold as this in corner there, Jubes. Go to that corner there, babe. I'm just trying to get this square. Is that wind bending that, or is that you bending it?
I'm not bending it.
Right, that should be it. Let go. Thank you.
Is that it then?
Oh, fucking hell. Getting too old for this shite. I think that should be it, Doris. Let's just get another measure of that, make sure it's right. Go. Sorry. Right, so she is officially a square. Don't be a square. So now all I'm going to do is all the battens at the bottom there, notch out, screw them all to your first bit of your wall, front and back, and then we are ready to assemble. Day one finished and completed. Kit didn't arrive till about 9:30, 10 o'clock this morning. Made a start just after lunch, so about 12:30ish. Got the base done. As you can see, this is the current progress. So the base has got down. That's nice and square. Took a while to actually get square. That's down. Made a start on the sides as well, as you can see. Got a couple of runs up. So yeah, will take a little bit longer because I am using the decking oil as I go. So the progress today has been a little bit slow, but tomorrow I should hopefully get a full day at it, depending on how the old back holds up. I've been struggling tonight because I have got 2 slip discs in the bottom of my back, so I'm doing this in a little bit of pain, but that's nothing that I'm not used to. So yeah, up to yet. Everything's going pretty much according to plan. As soon as you get into the flow of getting all the sides up, yeah, it goes up pretty quick, but like I says, I am treating it as I'm going, so that is slowing the process down. But other than that, it's going pretty well. Now it was everything else, it's all under plastic, so there's no rain tonight, not tomorrow, so I'm hoping to try and get it done as quick as I can, purely because I don't want it left out under the garden there untreated, getting wet. But yeah, as of day one's gone, pretty happy with it. So far so good. We'll see how tomorrow's gonna go. Yeah, so keep watching. But yeah, up to yet. Very impressed. So that is day one done.